step into the Dodge 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include tires, 245/45 ZR20 AS Performance, STD, Torque Clear Coat, engine, 6.4L V8 SRT Hemi MDS, quick order package 24 grams RT Scat Pack included, engine 6.4L V8 SRT Hemi MDS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 3.09 rear axle ratio, black Scat Pack logo houndstooth seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, included, auto-stick automatic transmission remote start system with smart key tip start steering wheel mounted shift control auto leather wrapped shift knob, wheels, 20-inch x 9.0 inches black noise, STD, rear wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for